Today it's very cloudy and pouring rain. However, we wanted to just get away somewhere peaceful and calm in this heavy monsoon. We end up trekking in this place and seeing few people in this location, we had to stop. And walking only a few distance, we reached to the first waterfall. Is it nice? Is it? Okay. Wow. Okay, big Annie. Wow. Oh my goodness. Wow. That's a nice view. Ini si Kuang Habanwan tadi yang may sodong ano fish. Tama babulta dito rin. So finally today no one is there. Yeah. Be careful. Chloe. That looks very dangerous. The other one, no? Loom? It's my turn. Red. Chloe, sure. Okay. This one, kalong very doubtful, no? Hello. Chloe. We were heading to a natural swimming pool and we had to cross over the top of the waterfall. This is how trekking in monsoon looks like. It was very cloudy but beautiful as well. Oh my goodness. What happened? She has no problem. Wow. That's actually nice. Mommy left, please. This is going along so fast. Okay. Ow. Okay. Okay, that is first swimming pool. That guy is swimming right there. And this is the second one. Sure, get out of the way. Tama, I don't know what she's doing. Look. We finally found a spot to unwind and relax. It was cold but really wanted to get into the water. Chloe is not at all a water girl, but she's a great swimmer, except me, who is the only non-swimmer. But I am more than happy to be here and take this moment to ourselves. It's a whole lot different feeling to trek and swim in the rain. It's just an amazing and exciting feeling altogether. And over time, you can see the cloud sets in. It's somewhat magical in real life and definitely our favorite getaway. After a while, we also sat and had our mini picnic. Chloe was freezing and looks like she's ready to go home. So thank you for watching and do like and subscribe if you like more contents like this. Till then, bye.